All right, hello. So I'm Raul.
Hi, this is Kim.
Okay, so we're here in El Segundo, California at Veggie Grill. So, yeah, take a look around, see what we have here. This, for me, this represents life for me. This is my childhood, actually, all in a sandwich. Except, you know, at least for Thanksgiving. This has like, this is their holiday roll, but it has like a piece of like vegan turkey with some stuffing on top and then some like cranberry sauce. And it has a side of sweet potatoes.
Sweet potato? I thought that was pumpkin.
Yeah, no, sweet potato. Actually, it totally probably should be pumpkin, right, since it's so popular. So that's this. And then the other thing which is really cool that they have here is like another El Segundo company, Beyond Meat. They have their Wonder Brat. So that's that sausage, that hot dog there. So it's a local company, but it's like, I think a lot of people who are vegan, they probably have already tried this, or I know it's actually kind of rare sometimes. It's like it sells out so quick. Which is that like they got it into Whole Foods, but it sells out like so fast, and then you have to wait months and months to buy it again.
So you can actually buy this.
This one now you can. At first, it was here first for the longest time. Now it's available at Whole Foods, but it's like as soon as people see it, they just like buy. Even from personal experience, if I see it, I just buy like 5 containers.
Wow. Okay. Is that?
So actually, that's why.
Amazing?
Yeah.
I haven't tried it. I haven't like.
Yeah. So this is the thing. So for Kim, this is her very first time trying this. So I really want to see what you think.
I'm just gonna get a piece if that's okay.
Yeah. And I think the one that they use is like their kind of like standard brat.
It's really good. What is it?
Some vegan magic here, right?
Yeah, what did they use to replace? I don't know.
Yeah, they really mess a lot, or not mess a lot, but I mean they experiment a lot with the different textures, right? So it even has like the feeling of kind of like the real casing, because a long time ago what they would use like the intestines or whatever, or whatever casing. So it still even has kind of like that pop when you chew it, right?
Yeah, it has like a skin.
Yeah. Yeah, it's
Can you tell like what sort of veggie, like what sort of vegetable they use?
The only thing I know is that I'm pretty sure they don't use soy. They just try to mix different plant proteins, and they combine them, to try to get just the right texture. So as you see, that's the casing right there. So it has like the authentic look, feel, and taste. It's not even better because I mean, this is the standard one, and then they also have one that's like more spicy. I think they have 3 varieties in total.
It's like jelly.
Yeah.
Wait, it's jelly?
No.
It's jelly veggie?
Yeah. So next thing. So actually, I love this one. They've had it for about 3 years now. So let me actually just cut a little bit for Kim to try it.
Okay.
Thanks, you guys. Actually, let me I want to make sure you get some of the cranberry stuff. So I'll be more sanitary. Right? All right. Okay. So. Totally
You destroyed it.
Yeah, I totally destroyed it.
Now it's mashed potato, by the way.
Yeah. It looks more like how it's gonna end up in her stomach.
Oh wait, no. Dang it. Okay, got it.
This tastes like Thanksgiving.
It has this like a stuffing taste to it.
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
Yeah, it's totally what I remember of Thanksgiving. Like all those main core flavors. And then of course, like, like where I grew up, we definitely would add salsa or whatever, something. But I mean, this is like the fundamental flavors of Thanksgiving in particular. But I mean, people have stuffing and turkey throughout the holidays anyway. So I think that's why they call it like
This is Oktoberfest, by the way.
Yeah. So we're kind of starting from October. We're kind of like autumn to winter. All right, so we're just gonna chow down. So I'm happy you liked it, and of course I love all this. I don't need to taste it. I've tasted it many times, but maybe we'll try to do some other thing for Expo West, which a lot of these products debut. So Beyond Meat is always there, and they always like debut some brand new, real kick-ass product. And they let people try it. So it's in March of next year. So right now, if you're watching this, it's in November, and so we still have a few months to wait. But we'll bring a bunch of stuff for you at Expo West next time. All right, thanks for watching.